Cisco Certified Network Associate. Lesson 30. This is AM Khan, trainer for the entire series. As you already know, this is a free training on YouTube for all people who are interested to start career in networking. In our last video, we have learnt about point-to-point networks and point-to-multipoint networks. Today, we are going to learn about wireless networks, advantages and disadvantages of wireless networks. So, what are wireless networks? Traditionally, devices inside a LAN are connected together using copper twisted pair cables. These days, also, most of the LAN connectivity is created using copper twisted pair cables. But there is another alternative to copper twisted pair cables. Wireless networks are an alternative to copper twisted pair cables. When compared with copper twisted pair cables, wireless networks can transmit data over air, means that no expensive copper cabling is required and data is transferred over air. Wireless networks use radio waves to communicate instead of copper twisted pair cables. Radio waves are electromagnetic waves having wavelengths longer than infrared in electromagnetic spectrum. Main advantages and disadvantages of wireless networks are listed below. Advantages of wireless networks: reduced expenditure. Main advantages of wireless networks is reduced expenditure on copper cabling for small networks. Mobility. Wireless networks have the convenience of mobility. Employees can change their desk easily without any additional cabling. Scalability. Number of devices in a wireless networks can be increased without any additional cabling. In cabled LAN networks, additional copper cabling is required to increase the number of employees. So there are basic disadvantages of wireless networks. One is security. Since wireless networks transmit data over air, there is always a possibility of data leak. Wireless networks always have higher risk of data leak and data modification when compared with copper cabling. So, higher level of data encryption are absolute necessary in wireless networks. Less reliable. Wireless LAN networks are less reliable than cable networks. There can be disturbances in communication caused by interferences. Less speed. Wireless LAN networks has less speed compared with cable LAN. So range. Communication range is always less in wireless networks. If you want to increase the range, you must invest more for additional wireless access points or repeaters. Often, this will result in more expenditure. View and subscribe my channel Network Guru.